In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings to better suit your personal preferences. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to head over to your profile picture, which is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to select the Settings option. This will lead you to a new page where you can adjust a variety of options tailored to your needs and usage habits. Once you are in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Notifications section. Notifications are crucial as they keep us informed about important updates, but they can also become overwhelming if not managed properly. In this section, you'll find plenty of opportunities to ensure that you're alerted only about what truly matters to you. Now here's an important step. Look for the options labeled Banner and Email within the notification settings. These options control how you receive your notifications. The Banner option displays notifications as pop-up alerts on your screen, ideal for keeping you informed in real time. Meanwhile, the Email option sends notifications directly to your email inbox, allowing you to review them at your leisure. If you feel inundated with pop-ups or emails, you might want to consider turning these notifications off entirely. To switch them off, simply toggle the settings next to Banner and Email to the off position. This will stop those particular notifications from appearing on your screen or in your inbox, providing you with a more serene digital experience. Alternatively, if certain alerts are essential but you wish to minimize others, you can customize these settings instead. Be sure to explore the customization options for each type of notification, opting to receive banners or emails only for notifications you consider important. This nuanced approach ensures you're not missing out on critical updates while reducing the likelihood of experiencing notification fatigue. As you make these adjustments, remember that these settings can always be changed back. Adjusting your notifications isn't a permanent decision. You should feel free to explore different settings until you find what works best for your lifestyle and habits. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully taken control of your notification settings, creating a more tailored and efficient experience. For those who thrive on staying in the loop without feeling overwhelmed, these modifications can make a significant difference. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more valuable insights and guides. Until next time, take care and enjoy a more organized and peaceful digital experience.